Hey, Matt Matheson here with Math Madness. Thank you so much for joining us and being a part of this program today. You know how we feel about it. We do appreciate you guys being here. We really do. Well, this is the second part in this series of 3 for finding limits with polynomials and limits to infinity and beyond and all of that mess. So let's just go ahead and get into it. I can explain it a lot better as we go along. Now I'm going to go ahead and give you the answer like I did on the first one. The answer to this is just simply 3 over 5. I'm going to go ahead and just write my prognostication right here so we can all see that that is my prediction for this. How do I know? I'm going to show you how I know here in just about 2 shakes of a lamb's tail. All right. Well, like we discovered in our very first episode, I don't need these terms because we already went through that. We said that these lower terms don't grow near as fast as the exponents with the higher exponents, for the lack of a better phrasing. Okay, since we know we're only going to have to deal with 3x over 3x to the 7th and 5x to the 7th, let's go ahead and take those limits with our new fraction here. So we're going to say the limit of x approaches positive negative infinity, then we are only going to be tasked with finding this, 5x to the 7th, okay? This is infinity. It is a little bit, artistic. I can barely write my name legible, so don't ask me to do the infinity too well either. But I don't know if that's any better or worse, but we're just going to leave it at that. So that said, algebra to the rescue again. Well, it looks that way. Let me cross out this x to the 7th on the denominator. Let me cross out the x to the 7th on the numerator. And what is our limit? Isn't it what I just said? Well, it is. We only have to deal with the exponents that have the highest, again, the exponents, the terms with the highest exponents. In this case, that was our 3x to the 7th, and in the denominator, that was our 5x raised to the 7th. This is even quicker than the L'Hopital, I do believe. I don't know if there's one that's this quick or not off the top of my head. But that is the limit for this. If you feel like you got ripped off on this episode, stick around for the third one. It's going to be a little bit more involved. But that's all the time we have for here on Math Madness. I am Matt Matheson. I'm going to see you really anon.